Did you know that becoming all-knowing might be the cruelest curse imaginable? Bran Stark starts as a curious boy who loves climbing towers. He ends as something barely human, a cold god sitting on a throne and moving people like chess pieces. What happened? He gained the ability to see everything, every moment in history, every tragedy, every joy, all at once. Imagine knowing every person who will die tomorrow, every child who will suffer, every war that will come, but also knowing it's all just part of a pattern. When you see the entire tapestry of time, individual threads stop mattering. Bran orchestrates Jon's parentage reveal. He lets Daenerys burn King's Landing. He manipulates his way to the throne, but he feels nothing about it, because when you know everything, you stop caring about anything. This is why absolute power corrupts absolutely. It's not the power itself, it's the emotional detachment that comes with it. Bran didn't become evil, he became something worse, indifferent. The boy who loved stories became someone who treats human lives like stories.